When I first was, parsing out what it's like to be, a full-fledged college student and talking about my finances for the first time, it was really hard. But then, the people in, the financial department, the student finance, student aid department in polling, they kind of helped me, get my bearings.
So I took literally the mounds of taxes downstairs to the financial aid department in polling, and they did it with me. Because if not, I would have lost my mind.
This year with the change, we it was really complicated and really frustrating. We had to go like in and change stuff like 3 or 4 times. Um, Especially because of my like family situation. We were like, I don't know what's wrong. They notified me each time that we had to go back in. We just didn't know if we had to like put my father in there or like my like stepdad in there or not. And it turns out we did, and we just didn't know. It was just not clear. But even with the like less aid, it was still a very like affordable year.
I love the idea that I've been able to save and prepare myself for the future based on the financial aid and the scholarships that I've been given at Monmouth. And honestly, that's a consensus that I've heard from a lot of people.
I'm like many other students are paying for their education. And Monmouth College kind of lifts that burden of being super like clueless or in the dark about what's the right option.
They showed me how to like actually like look through the taxes and like the forms, because when they show you like the questions, they're like 9A, B, C. And I'm like, I don't know what that means or where that's at in this 25-page long tax form. No, they showed me like how to find everything, and it was great.
Even if we like didn't get that aid, I do believe that Monmouth is a really like affordable, like it was one of my more like affordable options. I like would say one of my top two affordable options.
That financial aid department, thank the Lord for them. Like they hold my education together.